Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. We are from Team 2 Robotic A with our project Window Cleaning Robot. Our project is designed to help clean glass window on high-rise building more safely and efficient. Cleaning window manually is still dangerous because work must work at high place. The process also takes a long time and sometimes the cleaning result is not even. To solve this problem, we designed a semi-automatic window cleaning robot. The robot uses a pulley and safety rope system to reduce the risk of falling. It is controlled using a ESP8266 and the Blink application 2.5. Next is system recruitment review. First, the robot must be easy to control using the Blink application. Second, the robot needs a stable power supply during operation. Third, the robot must have real mechanical movement. Next to concept design, I will explain the robot overall operating concept, start with in hardware and mechanical mechanism. In hardware, the robot is accompanying ESP8266, DC motor, brush sling, motor servo motor, limit switch, battery, and step-down regulator. For the mechanical design, there is a brush to assist with the glass cleaning process, a pulley system to allow the robot to move up and down, and wheel to help the robot move during the cleaning process. For the program algorithm, we don't use any software, therefore operation begins as soon as the robot is turned on. Next to preliminary design, the main component used and the initial design of the window cleaning robot we create. First is ESP8266 as a microcontroller to receive command from the Blink application via Wi-Fi connection. And then there's a motor used to drive the robot's wheels and pulley system. Motor driver control the direction of the motor rotation, while the step-down regulator adjusts the voltage to ensure the component operates safely and stably. The entire system is powered by a battery. For mechanical, the robot is designed with a simple shape and lightweight enough to move easily on vertical glass surface. Uh, the robot uses wheels to move sideways, while a pulley system helps support and position the robot during the cleaning process.
Okay, for the critical design, as we can see for the preliminary design at the left of the screen, the robot have a rope only, and it will be not stable. So we change it from the robot, we change it from vertical beam into horizontal beam, and it will make the robot be wide, and because the wide is so long, so the robot will be more stable, and the roller from the preliminary design, we change it from one roller into two rollers for make it more stable, and the rope will be more wide.
My name is Enor Sarasidi with student ID ending in 11. Today I would like to present the critical design of the system that I have developed. On the left side, we can see the control system flowchart based on joystick and Blink application. The system starts with Wi-Fi and Blink in initialization, then it reads input from several control joysticks: V0 to move the slider forward, joystick V1 to move the slider backward, button V2 control the pulley forward, button V3 to control the pulley backward. If there is no input, the motor will stop. If input is detected, the motor will move it according to the command. The process ends at the finish state. On the right side, we can see the hardware system diagram. The system starts with a 14.8-volt battery as the main power source. A button switch is used to turn the system on. The voltage is then divided into two paths: a step-down 4015 module to reduce voltage for the ESP8266 microcontroller, the L299N motor driver to control the motors. The motors used include two DC gearbox motors, two standard DC motors. All components works together.
My name is John Peter Siburian. In here, I will explain about prototyping, results, and testing, and then I will explain about electrical system. The first, I will explain about prototyping, results, and testing. The following is a prototype of the robot we worked on in the first semester, featuring front, back, and side views. And here are the results of the tests that we have done on our robot prototype in the first semester. Where the tests we did were testing the slider on top the building so that it could move right and left so that the robot on the glass surface could follow it, and testing the pulley whose rope was attached to the robot to be able to extend and pull the rope so that the robot on the glass surface could also follow it up and down. And this is the video. And then the video next to it is a robot animation video that was previously designed using the OnShape application. Now I'll explain how our robot electrical system works. The components we are using here are 4 batteries, 2 button switches, 2 step-down regulator, 2 ESP, 3 motor drivers, 4 DC motors, and 2 limit switches. First, D1 on ESP1, 2 in 1 on motor driver 1. And then G2 on ESP1, 2 in 2 on motor driver 1. G3 on ESP1, 2 ENA on motor driver 1. D4 on ESP1, 2 in 1 on motor driver 2. D5 on ESP1, 2 in 2 on motor driver 2. D6 on ESP1, 2 ENA on motor driver 2. D7 on ESP1, 2 in 3 on motor driver 1. D8 on ESP1, 2 in 4 on motor driver 1. D0 on ESP1, 2 ENB on motor driver 1. And then positive battery, 12 volt motor driver 1, 12 volt motor driver 2, switch button, in plus step down, together to positive, and then out plus step down to 3.3 volt ESP. Negative battery, ground on motor driver 1, ground on motor driver 2, and ground on ESP, in minus and out minus in step down, together to negative. And the last, D1 on ESP2, 2 in 1 on motor driver 3. D2 on ESP2, 2 in 2 on motor driver 3. D3 on ESP2, 2 ENA on motor driver 3. And then RX ESP2, 2 out limit switch 1, and TX ESP2, 2 out limit switch 2. So that's all from me. Thank you.
The draft. As I said, for the draft or preliminary design, the rope of the robot isn't too wide, so we change it from vertical beam into horizontal beam. Made the two ropes from right side and left side of the robot will be more wide, and the roller, we change the roller from one roller into two rollers for adding the rope from one into two ropes.
The next project timeline. The first, create a solution concept and review design. Create a project review table consisting of performance review. Create a system equipment review and the glass cleaning robot. Make preliminary design review and conduct initial review. backend showing the change in design from the old fully, coding section for frontage and backend, wiring and freezing application, reboot the brush robot from vertical beam to horizontal. And the next slide, budget plan. We use acrylic as the main body material of the prototype. The ESP8266 is used as the microcontroller for Wi-Fi communication. We also use DC motor, gearbox motor, battery, and well to support the movement of the robot. Our supporting component include a button switch, battery holder, motor driver, L298-inch breadboard, jumper cable, and step-down regulator. Next slide. The wheels are used to support the movement and balance of the robot. The total cost of all components is calculated to make the project more efficient and affordable. And this resource management. Final consolation. In consolation, the window cleaning robot has been success developed and is about to perform its basic function as safer and more efficient window cleaning solution. The project also demonstrates an integration of mechanical, electrical, and programming system through teamwork and engineering design. However, the robot is still undergoing trial and error, especially in the vacuum and stability system. So further development is needed to improve its performance and reliability. Okay, the conclude our project presentation. Thank you.